So I wanted to share a little odd and strange thing that has occurred to me when I got my real sketchbook. So now that I have an actual real sketchbook, I've had this weird thing happen to me. Now all of a sudden I'm almost scared to draw in it, because I don't know what it is, but it's maybe it's because this is something that's gonna be with me for a very long time, so you kind of want to have some decent drawings in it. I think that might be it. So you're almost afraid to actually draw anything in it, really, because I have no idea whether or not it's gonna be good. Most likely it's not gonna be good. And so this almost makes me not want to draw. It's so odd. So it's almost self-defeating in a way. But yeah, I don't know. Guess I just have to get over it, I guess. So a sketchbook, it is meant to be your own thing. It's not meant to be perfect drawings by any means. It's more, like an idea book. That's why it's called sketches. It's, you try something out and maybe you get inspired to do something real on real piece of paper. So it's very weird that I almost don't want to draw in it, because I want everything to be good. Oh, yeah. So that was just a weird sensation, weird phenomenon, I guess. But like I said last time, I'm trying to. Well, I'm not trying to. I have to draw something every day, and I have been, which leads me into my next challenge, I guess. And I know this from Inktober. It's usually where artists and illustrators and they in Inktober they create a new drawing every day using ink. And I have some friends. Well, I have one particular friend who has been doing that for some years, and by day 14, 15, inspiration starts to run out. You've exhausted all your ideas, and so from that point on it gets harder and harder to dig down deep and find out what you really want to draw. And I am experiencing that as well. So when I say I have to draw something every day, it doesn't necessarily, I've told myself that it doesn't necessarily have to be a representation of anything. To me, drawing is like I said last time, it's a skill that I'm trying to figure out how to do. And so sometimes I get inspired to do something, an actual representation of something. Other times I'm blank, completely and utterly blank, and on those days I just spend the time working on my basic drawing skills. So that's the circles, it's the ovals and triangles, squares, lines, curved lines, because those are the basic foundation of any drawing. So I have this sketchbook, and I actually have another one. This one was gonna be my, let's say, my travel companion. This is the one that's easy to bring with me, and then I have one that is slightly bigger, something like this. And that one I have been using it, but it's not as easy as this one to bring along. But sometimes you want to do bigger drawings. Yeah, so that's the idea. Yeah, so basically that's it. That's what I wanted to talk about this time. The angst of actually drawing in your newly purchased sketchbooks. It's weird, but that's how it is. So I guess one last piece of advice. This is a sketchbook. It's not meant for anybody else to see. So, and it's not meant to have perfect drawings in it. By all accounts, it's just for random sketches. So try not to be intimidated by the sketchbook. That's my final words of wisdom for today. And I'm gonna put in the I guess the next the next few pictures, sketches that I've made. That's it. So see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.